Hi there. If you have a clear vision of your desires, you choose your technique, and before you start your controlled manifestation, you need to calm your mind. Our mind is full of the day, our thoughts are full with the variation of the daily work, the traffic, people, relationships, problems, etc. So, if you want to make a clean, controlled manifestation, you need to empty your mind and stop your thoughts. And it is great that this is a very easy process. You just need to find a place where nobody can bother you, close your eyes and take a deep breath and let it out. Do this a few times and you will feel that your whole body loosen up and your daily thoughts fade away. Try it now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Deep breath in and out. I'm sure that you can feel the change even in this little test. By definition, breathing or ventilation is the process of moving air into and from the lungs to facilitate gas exchange with the internal environment, mostly to flush out carbon dioxide and bring in oxygen. All aerobic creatures need oxygen for cellular respiration, which extracts energy from the reaction of oxygen with molecules derived from food and produces carbon dioxide as a waste product. Breathing, or external respiration, brings air into the lungs where gas exchange takes place in the alveoli through diffusion. The body's circulatory system transports these gases to and from the cells where cellular respiration takes place. Buddhists may consider that it helps precipitate a sense of inner peace, holistic healers that it encourages an overall state of health, and business advisors that it provides relief from work-based stress. You can use this everywhere in your life. If you have any kind of anxiety, you can use this to calm your mind and your body. If you have a stressful day, just stop for a few minutes, close your eyes and take a deep breath and let it out. This is the 0 step at all of the manifestation techniques. After you got your focus back, then start your controlled manifestation with the techniques. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.